Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, where the future of luxury meets cutting-edge technology. Today, we dive into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a flagship that has once again redefined what it means to ride in ultimate comfort, elegance, and innovation. The S-Class has always been the benchmark for luxury sedans, and with this latest generation, Mercedes has taken things to an entirely new level, both inside and out. If you thought you knew what to expect from a luxury car, think again. The 2026 S-Class isn't just a car, it's an experience. From the outside, the 2026 S-Class builds upon its sophisticated design language with even sleeker lines, a more prominent front grille, and new high-definition LED lighting that adapts with precision to the road and surroundings. Subtle chrome accents, flush door handles, and a more aerodynamic silhouette make this version of the S-Class feel like it's gliding through the air even when it's standing still. The overall design is understated yet confident, exactly what you'd expect from the world's most respected luxury sedan. But it's once you step inside that the 2026 S-Class truly reveals its magic. Mercedes has turned the cabin into a masterpiece of modern design and future-ready tech. The centerpiece is a massive, second-generation MBUX Hyperscreen that stretches across the dashboard. With AI-powered personalization, voice recognition that understands natural conversation, and stunning OLED resolution, this screen isn't just for control, it's part of the experience. Each occupant can interact with it uniquely, from adjusting climate controls to streaming content or managing massage functions built right into the seats. Speaking of seats, they're more like personal thrones. The 2026 S-Class offers next-level comfort with multi-contour massage, ventilation, heating, and memory functions, even for rear passengers. The materials are among the finest in the world, with hand-stitched Nappa leather, real wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting that can subtly shift to match your mood or driving conditions. Rear seat luxury is so advanced that it rivals private jet comfort, with features like reclining seats, footrests, a refrigerator console, and built-in entertainment screens. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers a range of powertrains designed to deliver silky smooth performance. The base models come with a turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid tech for seamless acceleration and efficiency. There's also a V8 version that blends raw power with refined cruising capability. A plug-in hybrid variant joins the lineup too, offering silent electric driving for city commutes and strong combined power for longer trips. No matter the version, the drive is whisper quiet, responsive, and smoother than ever. Safety and technology are woven into every inch of this machine. The 2026 S-Class comes loaded with semi-autonomous driving features, adaptive cruise, active lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and even a system that can prepare the cabin in milliseconds for an impending collision. It doesn't just respond, it anticipates. There's even a new biometric security feature that recognizes the driver's face or fingerprint to personalize settings and unlock the vehicle. Thanks for cruising with Auto Speed's Vibes. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is more than a luxury sedan, it's a rolling showcase of what's possible when design, comfort, and technology come together without compromise. This isn't just the future of Mercedes-Benz, it's the future of luxury itself. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more first looks at the vehicles redefining the road ahead.